Be good,
my
dear
dear
brothers and sisters. My name is Krish Kumar.
My name is Aram Kritik Raj.
Today I am going to present to you on my works on how to calculate pi using Python.
Pi is an irrational number.
Pi is basically defined as the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle. It can be also expressed as the ratio between the area and the radius squared. We shall now find the area of a circle, of a unit circle, without using the formula area is equal to pi r squared and by manual integration. Let us now better visualize this with a coded example. Today we are going to use important libraries, Matplotlib and NumPy. Let's cut this sister. Now I have written code to graph the function square root of 1 minus x squared using Python, using Matplotlib and NumPy for the values of x and y. And the output, as you can see, is as so. If we maximize it, we get a clearer image of this graph of square root of 1 minus x squared. We can see that it perfectly graphs the graph of the unit circle. We see when we iterate through all the values of x is equal to -1 and 1 with a difference of dx, and the sum of all the functions of all the values of x of the square root of 1 minus x squared approaches to pi over 2, which we see in this output. Thank you.